Hi guys! It's us again in one video. Tonight's video, this is the unboxing of the bag-o na purchase. We both agreed each other na we need this one since we love to watch movies sa kwarto or sa sala. We already have our TV but better gid siya nga pwede naman siya madala-dala anywhere sa house. So we come to decide to purchase this one. This is the LG Smart Monitor Swing for 31.5 inches monitor. Today it's Sunday, 21st of June 2026 and the time is 6:33 in the evening. Mag-unbox na akong husband. Let's go!
Okay, I need your help. You take this one. Unbox.
Ano yung wiring na cables?
Ano yung warranty?
New payong ni Buddy. Okay. Wow! Isa pa, three. Click na lang.
Pagtanggal.
I-click ka ni. Mani siya ibutanggal. Hey. Boys reformation. Naraon. Iwa. Amandani.
I'll tell you something. I'm Star-Lord. I formed the Guardians. Met a girl, fell in love. That girl died, but then she came back.
Nasa diba sa Shindig. Then, sa may gusto nga music.
Ito sa puy-puy.
Guys, mag-demonstrate ko sa ako ang i-present na ko akong presentation. This is the Netflix and Prime Video, Disney Channel. So, pwede mo siya ma-portrait, pwede mo siya ma-landscape. Ani, aday siya. Hindi mo siya pwede matuyo. Ana, kung mabalikod siya, hindi mo siya That's it for today's video. Bye-bye! Mananaw kami salida.